MAN Digital Services. Simply explained, MAN SimplePay, the fleet solution for simplified operating cost management. Keeping track of your fleet's operating costs is often more complicated than it needs to be. With various receipts from multiple fuel and charging card providers, different systems, and lots of administrative effort, MAN SimplePay can help to reduce that effort. With this digital platform for your mixed fleet, all on-the-road operating costs are consolidated in one place, in a clear, structured, and vehicle-specific manner. Here's how it works. Manage fuel and charging cards in the card management section. Once booked via the Refuelling platform, the card management section allows you to manage and assign fuel and charging cards from different providers to each vehicle. The desired services can be activated and the cards can be selected. Once set up, all transactions made with these cards are automatically recorded on the platform. All costs at a glance, in the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a clear visual overview and analysis of all your fleet's on-the-road operating costs. Trends are easy to spot, as are potential savings. For example, by comparing vehicles with the highest and lowest running costs. Drill down into the details in the Transactions view. Under the Transactions menu, you'll find a list of all individual entries with detailed information. The data can be filtered, exported, and further processed. Secure parking spots in advance in the Booking section or via the MAN Driver app. In the Booking section, you can search for and reserve parking spots in the Fleet Monitor. Once booking data is entered, reserved parking spots appear automatically in the relevant driver's MAN Driver app. Drivers can also find, book and authorize parking via the app, completely paperlessly. The booking appears on the platform, just like the transaction. Authorize transactions, contactlessly, via the MAN Driver app. When refueling, your drivers can either use the physical card or the MAN Driver app at supported fuel stations. Select the pump, authorize the transaction, done. No need to go inside, no waiting. Just refuel and go. The transaction then appears automatically on the platform. Possible automatic cost approval in case of a breakdown, in cooperation with the card provider. If the repair and maintenance feature is activated in MAN SimplePay, repairs can start sooner. These costs will also appear automatically in your transaction overview. That's MAN SimplePay, for greater cost transparency, for less effort, for faster breakdown handling, for your entire mixed truck fleet.